About a year and a half ago, Jose called me. I was in San Antonio. He was down here in the valley, and he said, "Hey, Jack, I've got a great story for you. I went to this high school, Porter High School, and I think they have a great story to tell." And I said, "Great, go do it." And he said, "Oh, one thing. It's going to take about a year."
So I'm so proud of our kids that they did not back down. And at the end, win or lose, they were champions regardless because of their behavior, their demeanor.
It's not only the story of Porter High School, I mean, it's the story of our area, our community, and it's kids from the area that live the same situation that these kids live, and we use soccer as a tool to be able to do that.
Besides the classroom, besides extracurricular activities, some of these kids have to work to help the families financially. And they have the struggles to go with a language barrier perhaps. But despite of all of those things, they don't see it as obstacles. They see it as opportunities to get better.
Y que no se den por vencidos, que hoy día gracias a Dios mi madre puede cruzar, mi hermano el menor también, y que algún día, tarde o temprano, ellos también van a poder estar con su gente. Que esperen grandes cosas de Porter, porque así como dicen, Porter no va a llegar, miren, los 2 años, gracias a Dios, llegamos, fuimos el último caballo en ser tumbado, y eso me llena de orgullo.
It's going to be available to people around the world. So how far is this going to go? I don't know, but I think it has a powerful message and it tells important stories that aren't being told along the border.